so much. The energy is great here. And I could hear you guys screaming so loudly all the way at the back. And I couldn't wait to come here. I'm so happy that you all could join me for the launch of our trailer today. I'm super duper excited. Yeah, I think I'm really glad that I could unveil the trailer with all you guys over here. And what a fantastic response. Thank you so much. It's been a lot of hard work for me to kind of look the way I've looked in the trailer and the film, and I really want to thank Murugadoss sir, who's worked with the best action heroes in our country, and I worked with him in Holiday, and he realized that he felt and he trusted me with this kind of a film. So I'm really thankful to him, and it's about this girl who kind of stands up against all odds, and I feel that every girl today should be able to take care of herself, because you can be thrown into any situation, and you need to stand up for yourself basically, and this film is about that and her journey, and it's actually a really cool thriller. It's got a couple of tracks going on. There's Anurag's track, there's Konkana's track, there's my track, and they're all interconnected in some way. So it's a really cool Murugadoss style thriller. अभी तक actually अभी release हुआ है trailer, तो मुझे किसी को दिखाने का
Have you discussed with them कि ये concept है?
Well, Akshay knows Murugadoss sir, and he knows what the story is about, and I remember before I started the film, he told me that this will be a game changer for you, and it will be a fantastic film for you to do. तो आग बंद करके कर ले आग बंद करके. That's what he told me. So he's also been very supportive, and in fact जब first look निकला था तो उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छा tweet भेजा था मेरे लिए, कहा था कि for her to for an action director who's done action films with so many heroes and such hero-centric films to make a film like that and trusting me with it was a great thing. So I truly take it as a compliment. Thank you. It was great. I think the first film that we did together, Holiday, which you all loved and the audiences loved, and he's a fantastic director to work with. I felt that in the very first film that I did with him. Frankly, I was pleasantly surprised when he came to me with this film, and he said that we're going to turn it around and make it a woman-centric, make it a hard-hitting film about this girl's character. And I was like, you want me to do it? He's like, yes, for sure. I think you can pull it off. And he's a very trusting, very good director to work with. I don't think I could have asked for anybody else to do a film like this with for the first time. I guess I think I've worked with them the past 5 years. I've been working with these guys, and उनसे मैंने ये सभी सीखा है, मारपीट ही सीखी है उनसे. So it's truly been a pleasure watching them do the action on screen, and I love action films. I love to be a part of them, and I'm really happy, thankful, grateful that I could be doing the action in this film myself. मेरा रिएक्शन, मैं बहुत खुश थी, क्योंकि जैसा कि मैंने कहा, मुझे एक्शन फिल्में देखना बहुत पसंद है, उनका हिस्सा बनना बहुत पसंद है. तो जब ये फिल्म मुझे आई तो आई वॉज मोर देन हैप्पी. मैंने डैड को और मॉम को स्टोरी सुनाई, तो वो भी बहुत खुश थे, क्योंकि बहुत ही अच्छी कहानी है, बहुत ग्रिपिंग स्टोरी है. एक अकेली लड़की की स्ट्रगल की फाइट की स्टोरी है. तो ओवरऑल द रोल इज़ वेरी पावरफुल. तो वो भी सुन के बहुत खुश हुए, एंड there was no reason absolutely for me to say no to this film. Actually मैं स्कूल कॉलेज में इतनी खुद एक गुंडी थी, कोई मुझसे पंगा लेता ही नहीं था, देख के ही लोग डर जाते थे. जी हाँ, काफ़ी इंजरीज हुई थी. इनफैक्ट 3 इंजरीज हुई थी मुझे, जो मेजर थी. एक बार मेरे रिस्ट में मेरा नर्व काइंड ऑफ ट्विस्टेड और बेंट और व्हाटएवर, तो मैं अपना हाथ सीधा नहीं कर सकती थी. देन आई हर्ट माई नी while doing one of the kicks in the cable action sequences, and ek baar I had hurt my back also. So yeah, it's very strenuous and very grueling. So yeah, I did go through a few injuries, but I'm back with a bang. Fantastic. I think आप अगर देखोगे अनुराग कश्यप को इस रोल में, चौंक जाओगे. I think he's done such a fantastic job. He's truly fit the character like a hand fits a glove, and I feel he's so menacing in the film. He's perfect for this role, and he's a really good actor. In fact, I told him you should just stick to acting now. Well, obviously there are a lot of instances where things are blown out of proportion, and people are targeted, and people are kind of picked on for no reason. But I will tell you personally, I always stand up for what I feel is right. And I think every girl in today's day and age, taking a cue from, I think when you see this film, there will be a lot of instances in the film that a lot of girls today are put through, and how, you know, basically you should be able to handle it yourself. So I hope, wish and pray that, you know, when people see this film, they understand, girls especially understand that institutions like yours, like schools, you know, other colleges and schools, incorporate self-defense, martial arts as a subject for girls from a very young age, because I feel it's very important in today's day and age.